How to delete WhatsApp group permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete WhatsApp group permanently. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, you'll got such interface. So from the chat section, you'll have to choose the group chat from where you want to delete it permanently. So in my case, I'm opening this group chat. Alright, so from this interface, make sure that you are the admin of that WhatsApp group. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just tap on that group chat name just at the top of your screen. Alright, so from this group info, you'll have to scroll down and go the sections like member, and from this member section, you'll have to just remove all of the members from your WhatsApp group. So for that, tap on any member, and after you tap on that, you'll get options like remove from group. So simply tap on that option. Alright, tap on remove. Okay, so by doing this process, you'll have to just remove all of the group member from your group, and after you remove all of the group members from your, you'll be able to see only one members, that is you, and you are the admin now. And after you delete all of the members from your group chat, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like exit group, and after you tap on that, you'll have to just tap on exit group. Alright, so after you are exited from your group from where you have deleted all of the group member, you'll be able to delete your WhatsApp group permanently. So this is the method to delete WhatsApp group permanently. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.